Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and welcome back to my channel. We are here with our first haul of the year, the first fashion haul of 2025, and it's a try-on haul. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten. 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 Bria Van Kooten, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. This is definitely a mini haul. It's not nothing big. I just got a couple things in the beginning of the year and one item that I got last week that I just wanted to share with you guys and show you guys. So first things first, what should I start off with? Should I start off with the clothes? Yeah, let's start off with the clothes. You know, why not? And then end off with the beauty, accessories, and all of that. So first things first, y'all. I got, you probably reading by the title, I got some Paul Gaultier JPG pants for 85 to 88% off, and somewhere in that range. I still cannot believe that I have these in my possession, and I still cannot believe that I found it for such a great deal. Like, so amazing. Let me show y'all the pants. Oh my god. Of course, I'm trying them on so I can show you guys how they look on, but these are the pants. They are brown. It's a brown pinstripe pants. But this is why I got them. The PA Resistance. If you guys remember last year, Kelly Rowland did a press tour for the movie she did last year, Mea Culpa, Tyler Perry's Mea Culpa. In one of the moments of her press tour with Trevante, she did a video with Netflix where they were painting. And she had on this Paul Gaultier outfit. And I saw these pants and I was like, this was last February, by the way. I manifested these pants into my life a year ago. She wore these pants in the video. I'm gonna put pictures so you guys can see. And I was like, oh, those pants are so sexy. It's the thong. The thong Paul Gaultier pant. Look at the thong in the, yo. I cannot wait to wear these. They're so freaking sexy. Oh my gosh, it has the Paul Gaultier logo right there, as you guys can see. A year ago, last year, I saw these pants. They were $1,200 because after I saw Kelly in them, I was like, ooh, I need these. But it's Paul Gaultier, so I knew it was gonna be like a pretty penny. They were $1,200, and I was like, ooh, I cannot do $1,200 on pants right now. I'm so sorry, I can't have them. But they have been in my wish list. They have been on my mind for the past year. And like 2 weeks ago, I randomly thought about them again. And I was like, let me look up these pants. They pop up on Yoox, Y-O-O-X, which is a connection to Net-a-Porter and Mr. Porter, if you don't know. It popped up on Yoox for $171, from $1,200 to $171. Then I was like, okay, I was hemming and hawing. I was like, all right, I can't spend no money right now. I'm not even gonna get that. Even though that was a great discount, I still was like, I'm saving right now. I can't spend any money. Went back on it because of course I can't get it out of my mind now. So I went back a couple days later. It went down to $164. Now at this point, I'm like, oh. And then I clicked on my size and it says a few left. Or it said last one. No, it was last one. Yeah, that's what got me. It was like last one in stock. I said, oh no, baby, I gotta get these. Oh, Lord, just bless me with more funds, okay? I went in and then I ended up getting an additional 15% off for signing up for Yoox's like email list. So it was $164, 15% off on top of that. And then with shipping and tax, it ended up coming back up to the $161, which is still really good. So I got them for like $161 from $1,200, y'all. So good. I have to get them taken in by the waist, and I have to get them hemmed because they are long AF. I am short. I'm only 5 feet. and I ended up getting a 2 from the size chart. It told me to get a size 2, but I definitely should have got a 0 because the waist is definitely big, so I do have to get them taken in. But it's better to get them bigger and get them taken in than if they were too tight and I had to take them out. So I'll just take them to my tailor, and then like I said, I have to get them hemmed because they are long AF. You guys will see when I try them on, but I cannot wait to wear them. My first Paul Gaultier piece, and it will not be my last. The next thing, which I'm so excited that I have in my possession, I can't believe I have this as well. Oh my God, I think this shirt came out like 2 years ago and the girls went crazy for it. I was one of the girls. It is the Invisible shirt, the Invisible Strap Y Project tank top. If you guys remember this, the girls went crazy. I found this one on Poshmark. I've been wanting this shirt for so long, but I believe, I'm trying to remember what was the full price, but I know it was something crazy for a tank. I'm gonna put it right here because I really can't remember it right now, but I know it was something crazy for a tank. And I was like, I can't spend that money right now on no tank. Not on a tank. It's like certain things I'll spend the money on and certain things is crazy. Like a tank top for, I can't remember right now, but I know it was crazy. And I was just like, no. But I was thinking about it. I'm always thinking about things that I love. And it popped into my head at the beginning of January. And I started doing a search. And then I found this one. Because when this top first came out, I saw everybody with like the black or the white, just the regular colors. And I didn't see anybody with this like tie-dye print. And I saw this one on Poshmark, like I said, and they were selling it for $100. And I was like, ooh, this is actually a really good deal. So I'm gonna buy it. And I got it. It is so good. I got this in a extra small, I believe. Let me double check. Yep, a women's extra small. And I cannot wait to wear it. It fits so good. I cannot wait to wear it and style it. I'm so excited for the weather to get better and for me to wear it and style it. It is so good. And I just love the invisible strap because it really looked like you don't have straps and your titties are just sitting and looking cute. I'm so excited. And if you don't know, Y Project in the beginning of January, it is no longer selling or no longer a brand for right now. They closed down shop because they couldn't find a buyer for the brand. If you don't know, both of the co-founders of Y Project sadly passed away, one from an unknown illness and one from cancer. One last year, 2024, and the other one in 2013. Sadly, they both passed away. And then the creative director stepped away last year. So that kind of like brought down their, creative direction and the design and all of that. And then it actually went up for sale. And the brand went up for sale. Y Project went up for sale. And nobody ended up purchasing it. So they decided to close shop, close house for now. We'll see if somebody ends up buying it and it comes back. But as of right now, Y Project is no more. So I'm happy to have this piece in my wardrobe, the one Y Project piece that I do have. I do have some other ones in mind that I do want to get that I'll probably get. But I'm just happy to have this one, and I really cannot wait to wear it and style it. I have looks in my head. I can't wait. Next, we're gonna talk about some shoes. I talked about these in my what I got for Christmas video. I'll link it up here in the card so you guys can see that. But I want to talk about it again because I'm so happy to have them. They're so good. Another item, both of these items I manifested. And this is another item that I definitely manifested. As you guys can see, it's from Zara. I definitely manifested these as well into my life. You can manifest more than things and goals. You can also manifest clothes, y'all. You definitely can. So these are so happy to have them. Like, they're so good. Oh my God. I remember my friend Sav sending me a video of these last year on TikTok. And I was like, oh, they're so good. I didn't get them last year. I ended up just adding it to my Zara wish list. And I ended up getting it on sale when it was having like the holiday sales. Originally, these are $69, and I think I paid $29. I'll put the price here because I can't remember exactly what I paid, but I know I got it on a really good discount. But again, I cannot wait for spring to sprung. So I can pull these out and wear them. I can't wait. I'll definitely bring these on my vacation this summer for sure. And then the next thing that I got, I did a TikTok and reels of this bag, but I want to show you guys here because I talked about it in my what I got for Christmas video, but I didn't have the item yet. I just talked about it, so now I can talk about it. It is my Birkin tote, my Birkin grocery bag in the emerald croc, the emerald green croc, as you guys can see. It is so good. It's from a brand called Grocery Bag. They're based in Canada, and I saw this tote as I was following one of the influencer girlies that's fab. She's super fab, an older woman, and she had this tote, and I was like, ooh, what is that, honey? And I went, I bought it, and it was $38 US, which is a great price. They have some super dope totes, different color Birkins. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Chanel. They just came out with a Rolex one, which is fire. That I want that one so bad. That's on my list to get, but I just love it. It fits so much. I love that the green matches the handle. I love that they put a green handle. Such a great touch. It fits a lot. This is the smaller version. They also have a larger version if you want a larger one. And I just love that it shows the bag all around. So you got the front view, the side view, the back view, another side view, and then the bottom view. I love that you can see it, all aspects of the bag all around. I love that. This is the tag, grocery bag. Grocery bag, I will put the tag right there and link it. Everything that I talk about in this video, I will try to find a link and link it down below if you guys want to get it. So good. All right, y'all, so almost a year ago, I got this portable garment rack, clothing rack from Amazon. I think it's such a great invention to have like a portable garment rack to like travel with. Of course, you have a portable garment rack that's the large one. You could just go about if you're going like for me, I'm a wardrobe stylist. If you're styling something or whatever, but it's bigger. This one is a portable garment rack that's like actually compact and small. I used it on my trips. I've used it for styling purposes. It comes in this little dust bag, and then this is it. Like, look how compact it is. And then you pretty much just open it like so, and then you start pulling to make it longer and more extended. Is the longest, the highest that it goes, which is right at almost my height. I'm 5 feet, so I would say it's about like 4'8". Shout out to Amazon. I found this on Amazon, and it's definitely a good thing to have in your possession, a good thing to cop. And even when I'm like filming my YouTube videos and I have like a backdrop with like clothes, I can just put this behind me real quick and have my clothes. Like during Fashion Week, I use this and just hung up like my Fashion Week outfits on here. So yeah, it's very versatile. You can use it for a lot of things, and I wanted to show you guys. Next, let's get into some beauty and home things. Let's start off with the home. You know, gotta get some candles. I love a good candle, and Bath & Body Works had their $10 candle deal during the holiday season, and I ended up getting 4 of them. This is one. I have another one here on my coffee table. I have another one over there in the kitchen, and I have one more. I stocked up on some. I love a good candle. If you want to get me something for my place, give me a candle. I will love you forever. I love a candle. This one smells so good. So good. My favorite scents from Bath & Body Works, the Champagne Toast, the Strawberry Pound Cake, the Mahogany Teak one. So good. That's my top 3 for sure. And then I also got some room sprays. If you've never had the room sprays, you gotta cop. Like, it has your apartment, your house, your home, wherever, smelling so good. Again, I got the Champagne Toast, and I got the Strawberry Pound Cake, because the Strawberry Pound Cake is definitely my favorite. It smells so, so good. So Also from Bath and Body Works. I got this during the sale. I ended up getting like 6 of these because they were on a great sale as well. And then next, you guys have seen this, the viral TikTok shaver. TikTok influenced me and I ended up getting it, and it actually works really well. I'm not even gonna lie. Shave my armpits, my stomach here, you know, the little stomach fuzz, the cooch, the legs, like it works. I've shaved all of the above and it works very well. First you start off with this top part and then finish it off with this bottom part. So I will definitely recommend. I would say it definitely works. And then ending it off with some Fenty things. So we got a few Fenty things. First, we're gonna start off with the Fenty lotion, the body butter, which smells amazing. This set came in a set of 3. I have one more, but it's at my parents' house because I keep that one over there when I go over there to like lotion and get ready and all that. But I have these 2. When I say the smell, it smells so good. It smells amazing, great quality. You feel moisturized, and it has like a little bit of glitter on it, so you feel like you're shining and glowing, and I love that. I love the packaging because it's giving very Caribbean lady, and obviously Brianna is a Caribbean lady so she's bringing her roots from when you were a child and your grandmother had like the lotions in like these little containers. It's giving that so bad. I love these. I got these from Fenty Skin, and then I got from Fenty Beauty. We have finally the Fenty Beauty setting spray, y'all. It is finally here. I love the packaging. I love this pink bottle, which is the Fenty Beauty color, if you don't know. The mist is very fine, very light. It has a nice scent as well when you spray the mist, which I really like. And the first time, I only wore it once, which was last weekend, or the weekend before that. I wore it once. I wore it for 5-6 hours, and I will say it held my makeup really well. I feel like that's a short time. I want to do it again and wear my makeup for like 8 hours and see if it helps. But I will say in those 5-6 hours, I did not blot at all, and I have really oily skin, and I did not blot. And by the time I got home, my face still looked good, and it didn't look oily or shiny. So from the first impression, I will say that I do like it, so I will recommend. But I will say I want to try it again, like I said, and wear my makeup for like 8 hours and see if it holds up the same. But first impression, I do like it. It's very light, it's not too heavy, and like I said, the mist is very fine, so it don't feel like water's just hitting you in your face, and it has a nice scent as well. So that is the haul, y'all. I will make sure to link all of these items down below if you guys want to buy anything. Of course, comment down below, let me know what you think. Follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, on my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Twitter. Check out my previous videos. Go check out my vlog. I have my moving vlogs up, which I'll be vlogging weekly, so new vlogs will be up on Saturdays, so definitely subscribe, check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.